In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your account, add contacts, track deals, and get visibility into what's working. First, head to the HubSpot website and create your account using your email. After you sign up, verify your account so you can unlock all features. You'll be prompted to add a few basics like your business name, website, and industry. Enter accurate details here. It helps HubSpot tailor defaults and makes your data cleaner from day one. Once you're in, take a minute to get comfortable with the dashboard. Across the top, you'll see core areas: contacts for people and companies, sales for deals and pipelines, marketing for forms and lead capture, and automation for workflows. Don't overcomplicate your setup yet, just learn where things live and focus on the essentials you'll use daily. Next, add your first contacts. Go to contacts, then contacts. You can add someone manually, import a CSV if you already have a list, or capture new leads via forms. At minimum, include a name, an email, and a phone number. Consistent, clean data here pays off later when you start filtering and reporting. Now build your sales pipeline. Go to sales, then deals, and set up simple stages such as new lead, contacted, proposal sent, and close. Keep stages clear and aligned to real milestones so you can instantly see where each opportunity stands and what needs attention. Inside any contact record, start tracking activities. Add notes from your conversations, log calls, and track emails. Over time, this creates a reliable history that keeps your team aligned and helps you pick up where you left off without guessing. Connect your email next. Go to Settings, then General, then Email, and connect Gmail or Outlook. This enables email tracking and lets you send messages directly from the CRM, keeping everything centralized and saving you from manual updates. If you're ready to capture leads automatically, create a simple form under Marketing, then Forms. Publish it on your website or share it on social media. Every submission will land in your CRM as a contact without extra effort. To keep follow-ups consistent, set up basic automation. Under Automation, then Workflows, start simple. When a new contact is created, send a welcome email and assign a follow-up task. Use tasks to stay on schedule. Set reminders and book call times so nothing slips. Finally, visit reports to see the big picture. Track the number of leads, deals closed, and email performance so you can double down on what works and improve what doesn't.